Whoa, hey, whoa, whoa, hey, all I got you. Yes, in this blue, yes, a room. Child is only yes, in my wing. Yes, it's so quiet, yes, I'm a loop. Look at my picture, yes, I'm a flick. Yes, yes, I'm a flick. Sitting and bleed, yes, I'm so sick. Okay, yeah, okay, yes, I had the flu. Took a few pills, then I lost. Yes, I own this life. Counting my checks, yes, I'm white. Yes, in my own gang, yeah, there's some things I'll do. More ties every day, sipping the lean, you know it's big. Yes, every day. Taking flights, I'll be selling them hay. Yes, so get Jamaica, chong on your body. Tell the ways, I better and drop. Oh, yes, I won't play chong on his life. For no go yaz, the nigga white, holding these lights. Chong where yaz, yes, we're selling the weed until the sun down. Yes, I won't play, I'm smoking more haze. Okay, he want to know. Okay, yes, I won't play. Yes, got this money rolled. Yes, always on my lane. Nigga, get out of the stain. From the yard, get out of the stage. Yes, we be sick on the limit. Yes, niggas, I tell you this shit I don't know. Sipping this lean, you know, on the boat. Yes, I don't play. Sipping this shit like Father Christmas. Yes, every day we own. Killing these niggas, I'm on the table. Niggas, you know the shit I'm on. Don't even say, hey, they know the shit I'm on. Sipping the lean, get a gas and petting on color, you know. Don't call my phone, I'm sipping the shit, acting all lucky, you know. Yes, like clean the vein on me. Yes, all these niggas, they know. Oh, yes, these niggas, all they know. Yes, I'm sipping the lean, petting on color. Yes, yes, ratata. Yes, always this a miss. Sipping the lean, yes, I'm on. Yes, I won't even play. Yes, I'm moon, I'm sipping the shit. Okay, yes, I'm hitting the chip. Whoa, let me take a smoke. Yes, back to my nigga smoke. Yes, we bring this shit. Yes, we don't only play. El Chapo will be making these songs. Okay, yes, got this bitch hooked to my dick. Yes, she said it's a drug. Okay, I know it's a vibe. Baby girl, she knows she just tracks. Yes, oh, hey, yes, bitch, you can save this link cause you know. Yeah, you can save this link or no. My shit is on.